Hi guys. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is daoduandesther here again, and today it is a special day. Why am I happier than you now?
When it was your own, was I not happier than you?
I was happy too. You guys, today is this birthday.
Yay!
Birthday boy. You guys, today's his birthday. I'm so excited. Happy birthday, babe. Thank you so much. Today's his birthday, and yeah, we give glory to God for making us see a new year.
Us? What's
yes,
that?
making you. Anyway, guys, so we're off now. I want to go have breakfast out. My first treat for him today. Let's go have some breakfast.
Yeah, cut your baby. Cut your my sweetheart here.
Yeah, and you guys, my husband's birthday today.
Finally, she's using husband now.
Finally, I said the word is still heavy. It's still heavy in my mouth. Let's say it. Let me say it. You guys, my husband's birthday today. I'm so excited, so happy. Let's go. So I'll show you guys what we have in stock for today. Just stay with us and enjoy this birthday vlog.
She's refusing to tell me what she has planned for today. I don't know what she has planned.
Don't worry.
I don't know why she's. I don't know why you're keeping it secret.
Yeah, because.
Okay, imagine that you have a special plan, breakfast. Now, who's going to do the driving? If you're not going to tell me where we're going to now.
I'll give you my map. Don't worry. Let's go.
Okay, guys.
See you guys will get there. Bye.
Dance with me under the diamonds. See me like breath in the cold. Sleep with me here in the silence. Come kiss me silver and gold. You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future. So just hold on like you will never let go. Yeah, if you ever move on without me.
Man. How are you?
I'm good.
Waiting for.
Yeah, we're waiting for breakfast, yeah.
Yeah. So guys, our breakfast is here. Breakfast. Hey baby. Hey birthday girl. I say you look sleepy.
Because I'm very sleepy.
This looks nice. How many sugar? You like sugar a lot.
No, it's just too cute. It's just too cute.
I bet sugar. Tell me it's going to be the right procedure for opening the sugar. So you just tearing it up and down.
That's just the ras game.
Huh?
The ras. So usually you don't like sugar now.
Huh?
You don't like
It's
sugar
just
now.
one I use. How many did you use? I thought you used more than one.
You've been burned.
I thought you used more than one.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. I don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up and stare at the fan, turn the TV on and watch Peter Pan, and nobody's gonna tell me I can't. I'll be lounging in the house, just chilling in my snuggie. I look to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the flippin' man. Oh yes, I said it, 'cause I can. Oh, today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna
Eat your birthday cake, babe. Go, babe. Go, babe. Birthday is not complete without eating cake.
I've eaten already.
Oh, sorry. Without finishing your cake.
Guys, if I'm fat, she's the cause.
Is it like you're the cause? You're the cause. You're the cause. Go, you can do it, babe. I'm here for you. Finish it up. I'm ready to move. We're done. I'm ready to go.
Later.
And that's the birthday boy. Baba is just having fun. Looking for how to pass this stage. See, I'm giving so much concentration. Jeez. Are you hungry?
Very, very hungry.
I know, right?
Wifey.
Alpha. Birthday guy. Birthday guy.
So, babe, what are you making now?
Food though. I know you give me that look.
No.
I want to do fried and jollof rice for you.
Aww.
Yep.
She knows I love her fried rice.
Very much.
She knows I love her fried rice.
And I love yours too.
Mine?
And that one you always do with egg.
Chahan. Chahan that just me myself I don't really
Chinese
like.
fried rice.
Yeah, it's chahan.
It's very nice, eh?
Really? I don't really like it.
I like it. I think you like my own Nigerian style.
Yeah. I don't know, I just feel like mine is not tasting like the restaurant type. I just feel it's not tasting the restaurant way. Yeah.
It's very nice. Okay.
Chef. Chef.
I didn't even make a video when we got home. We have gotten home.
No, we are still outside. We're making this food outside, you guys.
Yes, we have gotten home. Oh my god. I don't know why I still prefer to cut my carrots for fried rice this way than using all this stuff. The way it slices the carrot, I don't really like it.
You just like stress.
I don't like stress. I just don't like the way it slices the carrot. It doesn't give me this kind of shape. Do you understand?
Yeah, I do.
It's always like very, very light and thin. We're supposed to be playing song.
Yeah, I'll play song.
Go birthday boy, go birthday boy, go. I don't know why your birthday. You don't even used to do as if that day is your birthday.
Because I'm not a girl.
Is it by a girl?
Yeah, it's you women that take birthday so personal.
Is it lady? Is your birthday like +1 today? You're supposed to be all over the place.
So
like,
because I'm +1, so what's the big deal about being +1?
Huh?
What's the big deal about being +1? Hope you know that +1 means I'm getting older.
Now, is that?
Same.
Is it?
Since we've been going out, have you ever seen me taking birthday pass so personal?
It's me. I always buy you cake.
So you should know that.
When we started going out, I started buying you cake for your birthday.
You should know that I don't see. I see it as a normal day. Eh?
You see it as a normal day.
I just see it as a normal day because it's just going to come and go like a normal day. This Friday.
I hear a lot about sinners. Don't think that I'll be a saint, but I might go down to the river. 'Cause the way that the sky opens up when we touch it, it's making me say that the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy, holy,
let me not say that thing because you're always saying that I should stop saying it. Anyway, guys, so my birthday present for him. Is it really a present?
There's a present now.
It's a present.
Uh-huh.
Are you serious? Okay, I don't really count it as much. But anyway, we're going now for shopping. I told him to just, well, I'm taking him for shopping actually. He should pick whatever he wants. There's a limit though, so you guys, you should pick whatever he wants. Anyway, bills on me.
Yeah. I want to go and spend someone's money.
It doesn't matter. Anyway, guys, that's what we're going to do now. And yeah, we're out of the house already, and we're about zooming off. So yeah, let's go.
Peace out.
Running to the echo like a trickster. Can't wait another second, cause the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feels so holy. I don't do well with the drama.
How much did you if I just stop pouring me?
I've told you your limit already.
So there's no limit in this life.
There's limit.
In life, no limit.
There's limit. I've told you where to stop.
Don't put limit.
Is it from this one?
There's no problem.
Call one of the store assistants.
Feed.
This one has the rope.
Yeah.
Today I don't feel like doing anything. I just wanna lay in my bed. I don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna kick my feet up and stare at the fan, turn the TV on and watch Peter Pan, and nobody's gonna tell me I can't. I'll be lounging in the house, just chilling in my snuggie. Hook to MTV so they can teach me how to Dougie. 'Cause in my castle, I'm the flippin' man. Oh, yes, I said it.
Know your
The
limit.
sky is my limit.
It's not your limit. I told you there's a limit because
sky.
now you're doing beyond.
See, let me tell you, there's a motivational speaker I saw. He said, the sky is not being my limit.
There's a
just my
limit
starting
though.
point.
There's a limit. If you pass, I'll collect my money back. Just know.
This is why people, some people don't become so. You don't listen to motivational speakers. The sky
There's
is not
a
your limit.
limit to your birthday present.
The sky is not your limit.
Not for me.
He said the minute I saw you, Daodu, the sky is not your limit. You will go beyond this.
There's a limit to this one.
But now,
You guys have been reminding him of his limit so he doesn't forget, just in case he has forgotten. Basket level down. This is where the basket has gotten to. And look at him, he's dancing. Question for you. The question is, does shopping make people happy?
make people happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because your mood has changed, like since you've just been dancing up and down.
It's actually the music I make.
Is it? That's what you want to say. Okay. Like, yeah, shopping makes somebody happy. Let me tell you. So when I'm shopping, I'm bringing in things. Don't come and be shouting that there are so many deliveries coming in the house. Just know that shopping makes somebody happy.
It's at the end of the month when your credit card starts doing
I'll pay now. So yeah, shopping makes someone happy. Are you done? You're not done.
You brought me here.
I brought you here. I gave you limits.
I've been trying to control myself from buying clothes. You don't need me. You brought me here.
I said, guys, doesn't like to buy so much clothes though.
I just wanna lay in my bed. I don't feel like picking up my phone, so leave a message at the tone. 'Cause today I swear I'm not doing anything, nothing at all. Ooh, 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 nothing at all. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, I ain't gonna comb my hair. just strut in my birthday suit and let everything hang loose. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Very much. Thank you.
What's now?
God, I've licked me. Go. But thank you.
Oh my God. You're welcome. How do you feel?
Summer is on fire.
Someone is on fire.
Summer, here I come. You're on fire.
I'm glad you're happy.
Yeah, very happy.
I'm glad hope you're enjoying your day.
Of course not. Obviously.
Okay.
Obviously.